So welcome guys to another week of trying to get funded. So as you can currently see now, I'm currently on a buy on GBPUSD, and this is the time for currently now, which is 6:07 for the now, and you can see it's GBPUSD. So I'm currently on a buy on my 5k account. So I'm trading continuation of the NFP that happened on Friday. So that Friday I took a buy here on this break and retest. So currently on this break and retest right here. So you can see, so the trade is currently playing out now. It's going above my entry point right here. So let's see. So the trade is a 1:3 trade. So you can see there's 3 arrows. So on this one, I'm currently risking 30 pips. I'm going for 90 pips. So this is currently the trade. So 1:2 arrow, and I'm only risking 1% in this trade. So let's see how it goes. So welcome guys to another week of me trying to get funded on this Forextrader. Happy new week. So I'm currently on a buy this morning. So as you can see, just currently see. So that trade I'm only risking 1%, same as usual, and 1 risk to reward, and my paid GBPUSD. So all my rows I follow, my plan and follow. So all is left for me now is for me to see the trade and see how the trade go. So let's see. So in the continuation of the NFP news, so still expecting a buy on the GBPUSD. So let's see how the trade goes. I'll update you. So the trade is currently playing out, so you can see. So the market just broke this resistance right here. So price is currently above that resistance now. To me, this trade is going to be a strong confluence, a very high probability trade, but anything can still happen though. So let's see. I'm still waiting. So what's up guys? I'm still currently on the GBP buy trade, and the market is very slow today. So because maybe today is Monday, so the volatility in the market is very slow, very poor. So let me show you the chart. Let me show you what the trade is currently doing right now. So as you can see, currently now the market is reversing after hitting this resistance. So for this kind of trade, the best area for my TP to be placed is around this current high, because here is also a resistance and also a resistance right here. So this would have been the best place for my TP, but depending on what, that's how the trade was for me. So but I'm seeing the probability either this trade might reverse for me, but I'm still holding. So I'm seeing something on H4 that might happen on this trade, because you can see we have a support right here that the market have not tapped before, and this market just tapped this high on this previous resistance right here. So I'm currently suspecting that this market will drop to this support right here on H4. As you can see, this market, because the market to jet from somewhere, so there's this top support here that this market have not tested before. So let's see though. But if I see this market take me out, this is the area I'll be looking to buy as from tomorrow. This place, this current H4 support, but current H1 support level, the market is still very much respecting it. So as you can see, it's just rejecting from this current resistance so I have in right here, this recent high. So let's see if it comes to my stop loss. This is the area I'm looking to buy, but I'm looking at this area to hold high probability, because this strong move, this strong bullish candle. So I'm still looking at this market to hold and hit my take profit. So let's see. So my stop loss some 30 pips before, so I've moved my stop loss close to this low. So I've reduced my stop loss around this current low right here. So as you can see, so my stop loss is currently around this low right now, see below this strong support. So let's let the trade go. So this is currently the trade on my MT5 account. So the trade is still very much running. So I was up in profit almost $100 before, but now the market is reversing, but I'm still holding. So let's see, TP or stop loss. That's it. So I'll update you. So this is currently after 6 in the morning. So I came and see that this market have not even get to my TP. So I just decided to close the trade around here. So leaving like $30 on the market. So I closed around 124. So my profit target was supposed to be 150. So I closed 124 instead. So but the market is quickly going. So I just took my profit from there. So the trade is still currently playing out. So I already took my profit because I was holding this trade for too long. So this is the trade. So for today I'm not trading again. So like this, I'm done for the day. So it's still morning. I haven't only done my routine. I haven't done anything yet. So I've done my routine and everything. So done my exercise and other stuff. So that trade, I just closed the trade as I said. So leaving like $30 in the market. So I just closed it because I was holding the trade. So I'm holding the trade yesterday and this morning. So I just closed it. So but that trade will cover my trade for the day. So I'm no longer trading because why I just broke my rule. But nevertheless I just closed a profit. Yeah. So that's the reason I closed it. So instead of just waiting for addition of $30, so I just say since I already have like 120, I should just take the trade and just close. So I'm no longer trading for today, which is Tuesday. So I'm going to wait till Wednesday before I take my other trade. So I wish I wait for that 150. Tomorrow trade would have made me pass that phase one. Yes, because today would have been like 250, then just additional 150. But there's something I'm going to do tomorrow in my trading. So instead of going to 1:3, I'm going to try to go to 1:4. So it's not because of just I want to make more, just to get more of the targets to pass my phase one. So I'm kind of thinking like a strategy now. This is not my emotions. So I'm just using a strategy. So instead of going to 1:3, I'm going to go to 1:4. So I'll try to pass the accounts. Then if I lose, I might go back to my more strategy. So we'll go again on Wednesday. So I'm done for today, Tuesday.
So welcome guys to another week of trying to get funded as a Forextrader, as a Forexdaytrader. So I'm currently on the bar right now. The time is 6:50 AM, and as you can see, it's a GBPUSD. So I'm currently on the buy on GBPUSD, which is as you can see on the chart right now. So I just took the trade just this morning, and you can see it's the break and retest of recent high. So these are the highs. So I wait for market to break and retest, and I'm looking for the market to buy up to break that above that current resistance. So let's see how the trade goes. Let's see. I already managed my risks and everything.
So what's up guys? That trade did hit my stop loss. Didn't go as we planned. So the trade didn't buy though. The market just consolidating. So my stop loss got hit. So let me show you the trade. Let me show you. So this is the chart. As you can see, it's GBPUSD. So this is the trade right here. So the market hit my stop around here. So I noticed that there was going to be some kind of a liquidity sweep though. So I didn't know that this trade was not a probability setup because of this imbalance right here. So I know that there might be a sweep around this area. So to be frank though, I did try to adjust my stop loss to avoid this loss. But nevertheless, the thing still occur. So you can currently see that the market is currently playing out. But I'm not going back in. So this is the trade. My stop loss hit on this trade. And this is my loss. So I'm currently down 1% from my previous profits. So I think this is how the workout is going to end. So this is my last trade for this week, and today is Friday. So for this week I only take a total of 2 trades, and I was up 4%. So today losses make me go back down. So I'm currently up 3%. So I was really relying on this trade to play out today, so that if this trade would have played out, I would have passed my phase one. So but instead, I never can predict the future of the forex market. So today was a loss as on Friday. So we'll continue the journey next week. At least I'm still profitable. So despite the loss for today, I'm still able to cover my loss. So I'm still currently up 3% on the account. So let's see. We'll go again next week.